Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Как дела? У меня замечательно. Today we are going to use the association technique to learn the days of the week in Russian. Before we start, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new lesson. And let's start. Поехали! Firstly, we are going to learn the words that are related to the days of the week, like month, year, week, hour, and so on. Let's begin with год. Год. Year. I got to learn Russian in 1 year. Год. Year. Месяц actually sounds similar to month in English. Did you hear about a football player named Messi? Well, Messi can't train for 1 month because of his injury. This is actually real news. The next word is неделя. Неделя means week. Неделя. I need to go to Yale University next week to learn Russian there. Need Yale. Неделя. Неделя. Week. День and day really sound the same. Or you can think about one perfect day in Denver. День, day. День. Час, hour. Час. Час. The police chased him for an hour. Час. Секунда is very similar to the English word second. See, it's sekunder. Kun is a short word for raccoon. Секунда. Minuta and minutes are very alike. Meanwhile, I was in Utah. I was thinking about you every minute. Meanwhile, Utah, minuta, minuta. Utah is a state in the western US. And let's start with the days of the week. On Monday and Tuesday, I will talk with Nick. On Monday, I will tell him, Pony Day is every Monday, Nick. Понедельник, понедельник. Понедельник, Monday. Next day is вторник. Вторник. Phtor is a chemical element, Nick. I told you this last Tuesday. Вторник. Tuesday. Среда. Среда. Wednesday. Are you going to Sri Lanka on Wednesday? Да, среда. Четверг. Четверг. Cheetos are very good and I eat them on Thursday. Четверг. Пятница. Пятница. Do you know how to say number 5 in Russian? It's пять, and Friday is the 5th day of the week. So think about 5 fingers and 1 knee. Пятница, пятница, Friday. Суббота, суббота. Soon we will go to the botanical garden. Can we do it on Saturday? Суббота, Saturday. Воскресенье, воскресенье. This word means resurrection. It was named in honor of the resurrection of Jesus Christ. The day of Christ's resurrection is the 7th day of the week. It's Sunday. I know that in America, Sunday is the first day of the week, but according to International Organization for Standardization, Sunday is the 7th day of the week. Воскресенье, воскресенье. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in comments what association did you like most, or maybe you have a better one. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Удачи. Пока.